Welcome to Tutorial 12. This tutorial will walk you through how to grant permission to another user so that he or she can view or edit information about your SafeRoutes program. This includes granting permission for people who already have a user login for the data system and how to add a user who currently does not have an account. In order to grant permission, you must have administrative level access for your program. To determine your permission level, go to saferoutesdata.org and log in under the Returning User subheading. On the Welcome page, you should see a list of one or more programs. Look in the permission column in the table to determine what permission level you have for each program. The four permission levels are Administrative Level, Edit Level, View Limited, and View Only. Administrative level permission is the only level that allows you to grant someone else access to a particular program. For a description of each permission level, please refer to the glossary located near the beginning of the general instructions, which are available from the Data System Login page. The remainder of this tutorial assumes that you have administrative level permission for your program. First, we will cover how to grant permission for someone who has requested access. We will then describe how you can proactively grant a user permission rather than waiting for someone to request access. There are two primary ways the data system will notify you if you have pending permission requests from an existing user who would like to access your data. The first way is that the data system will automatically send an email to the person listed as the program contact. However, it is not uncommon for these emails to be treated as spam, which may prevent you from actually receiving the request emails. The second way you will be notified is that when you log into the data system, there will be a red attention box on the Welcome page indicating which program contains the permission request. Now we will describe how to accept or decline permission once you have received notification of a request. You should be on the Welcome page, where the red attention box will indicate which programs you have pending requests for. From here, select the appropriate program from the program list. Next, in the left navigation menu, under the Manage User subheading, click the View and Grant Permissions link, which will be highlighted in red. On the View and Grant Permission page, select Pending from the Approval Status line and then click View. This will return all the pending requests for this program. Below, you will see the name and person requesting permission, the permission level requested, and the name of the school. You can change the level of permission using the drop-down menu. There are three school-level permissions. No access denies permission request. Edit allows the user to add, edit, or remove the school's information and view the school summary reports. And View Only allows the user to see the school's information and summary reports but not make any changes or additions. Once you have selected the permission level, click Update School Permission button at the bottom of the page. You should see a red text box that says the school permission has been updated. If you would like to change the permission level of those users who already have access to your program's schools, return to the top of the View/Grant Permission page. In the Approval Status line, uncheck the Pending box and check the Approved box and then click View. Make the necessary edits to the program and school permission levels. Please note that the first table on this page is for program level permission and the second table further down the page is for school level permission. After you click the Update School Permission button, the data system will automatically send an email to the person with access to that school, which will inform them of the permission level change. You may want to email that person directly in case the data system's auto-generated email response is treated as spam by that person's email system. Now we will describe how you can proactively grant a user permission rather than waiting for a permission request. The first step is to see if the person has an existing user login by searching the data system. Using the left navigation menu, select Add a User under the Manage User subheading. The next screen will allow you to search for the existing user. Search for the person by using one or more of the search fields. If you are not sure if the person has a login account, search by state only. If the user already has the ability to log into the data system, their name and contact will be displayed on the next screen. If the information is correct, click the Select button to the right of the contact information. If you do not see the user's name, then click the Add New User link at the top of the page. We will show you an example of each scenario. First, we will cover how to add permission for an existing user. Once you have clicked the Select button, the next screen will allow you to add permission level access. Using the drop-down box in the Access Level column, choose whether you want to grant the user View Level Only, Edit Level Permission, or No Access, and then click the Complete button. You should then see a message at the top of the screen in red text that reads, "The school travel permission has been updated." Now we will show you how to add a new user if you don't find that person in the Select User page. Click the blue Add New User link at the top of the page. Please provide the information requested and then click the Submit button. Please note that the new user email address you just submitted will automatically receive a message which contains information on how the person can establish their own password for the email login you just created. The next screen will allow you to add permission access. Using the drop-down menu in the Access Level column, choose whether you want to grant the user View Level Only, Edit Level Permission, or No Access, and then click the Complete button. You should then see a message at the top of the screen in the red text that reads, "The school permission has been updated." You have now successfully added a new user and changed the permission level. This concludes our tutorial on how to grant permission to another user so that he or she can view or edit information about your program. Thank you.